Welcome to our PBL journey. Over the next few sessions, we'll be exploring the fascinating intersection of science and Thai culture. This timeline will be our roadmap, so let's take a quick look at what's in store. We have 6 engaging sessions scheduled between March 17th and March 28th, 2025. You'll be working in 5 groups on 5 unique projects. The first 5 sessions are for project work, and the final one is all about showcasing your amazing creations. All our sessions will be held via Google Meet, and you can use Line for quick questions. Our first session on March 17th is all about getting started. We call it the initiating phase. On March 19th, we'll move into the planning phase. Then, we'll have 2 implementation phase sessions on March 21st and 24th. March 26th is for project finalization. And finally, on March 28th, we'll have our presentations and reflections. Group 1, you'll be diving into the science behind Thai festivals, specifically focusing on the beautiful Loli Krathong Festival. You'll explore concepts like buoyancy and think about the environmental impact. Your tasks include researching the festival's history, the science behind it, its environmental effects, creating visuals, and building a multimedia presentation. Group 2, your project is Myths and Nature, a scientific perspective where you'll explore the myth of Phra Mai Kongka. You'll connect the myth to the water cycle and other natural phenomena. Your main deliverable is a creative retelling of the myth, perhaps as a comic or animation on Canva or Google Slides, incorporating scientific explanations. Fashion enthusiasts in Group 3, get ready to become sustainable Thai fashion designers. You'll be focusing on creating eco-friendly festival outfits. You'll research sustainable materials like bamboo fabric and incorporate traditional Thai patterns. Your final output will be a digital lookbook showcasing a collection of 3 to 5 outfits. Foodies in Group 4, your project is The Science of Thai Flavors, with a focus on the delicious tom yum soup. You'll investigate the chemical reactions that happen during cooking, analyze the nutritional value of the ingredients, and explore their unique properties. Your final product will be a digital recipe book filled with fascinating scientific notes. Nature lovers in Group 5, you'll be exploring Thailand's natural wonders through a virtual tour of mangrove ecosystems. You'll research the geography, climate, plant, and animal life, and the conservation challenges these vital areas face. Your goal is to build an interactive virtual exhibit using Padlet or Google Slides. To help you with your projects, we'll be primarily using Google Meet for our sessions. For presentations, you can use Google Slides, Canva, or Padlet. We'll also use Line for quick communication, and Google Drive will be our go-to for sharing files and resources. Each group will have 5 members, and you'll be assigning specific roles to ensure everyone contributes effectively. You'll have collaborative online workspaces to work together, and we'll have regular check-ins during our scheduled sessions. Remember, you can also work on your projects asynchronously between classes. We'll have daily progress checks during our sessions. There will be a mid-project review on March 24th and a final project review on March 26th. Your presentations on March 28th will also be evaluated, and you'll even have the chance to provide feedback to your peers. During the first week, we'll focus on project selection, forming your teams, and conducting initial research. In the second week, you'll dive into project development, content creation, and start preparing your presentations. Keep these milestones in mind to stay on track. For your projects to be successful, make sure you clearly explain the scientific concepts involved, creatively integrate Thai culture, deliver an engaging presentation, work well as a team, demonstrate an understanding of environmental awareness where applicable, and manage your time effectively. Remember, I'm here to guide you during our sessions. We also have an online resource library filled with helpful materials. If you encounter any technical issues with the digital tools, don't hesitate to ask for support. You'll also have opportunities for peer mentoring, and I'll be available during virtual office hours if you need extra help. Finally, on March 28th, we'll have our grand finale, the final celebration. Each group will present their amazing projects, followed by peer feedback sessions. We'll recognize your achievements, reflect on what we've learned, showcase all the projects, and even have a special awards ceremony. Get ready to celebrate your hard work.